and welcome back to another super belated Boxycharm unboxing. This one is the January just regular base box. I know, again, I did it backwards on this one of which one I normally would have done first, but here we freaking are. So our little card thing is so fresh and so clean, and we have our product info with the values on it, which, because I did it last time, it was not fun to see the values, everything all added up. I'm gonna just add those up real freaking quick. This box is valued at $139, which for the base box, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So, in no particular order, we have the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner, refreshing facial toner for dehydrated dry skin, ginseng, saponins, saponaria leaf, and refreshes, soothes, and rehydrates, which is literally what it said 3 times on this box now. So it says, perfect for dry skin, this nourishing treatment toner helps maintain the skin's natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh detergents. Infused with extracts of Korean ginseng, quillaha wood, and sweet Betty flower. I've never heard of that. The hydrating formula helps to revitalize, rebalance, and moisturize skin whilst leaving it looking radiant and revitalized. Again, I'm questioning their choice of wording on this stuff. Yeah, I heard it too. I didn't write this. It also acts as the first layer of hydration and aids in the penetration of the moisture. I'm not sure. Of the moisturizer or night cream. Yeah, $37 for that toner. Pretty spendy for a toner in my opinion, but not the most expensive we've ever had. So there's that one that was like over $100 that one time. That was insane. So then we have from Lovecraft Beauty the Plasma Gloss, which is $18 in the color Quasar Goo. Excuse me? But yeah, the box looks like this. All futuristic and spacey. Anyway. So, this all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy bronzy iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips. Personally, I don't like using these multi-use glosses all over the face. I pretty much choose a use and stick to it. So, probably won't be for the lips for me. Let's see the color though. I'm just curious. I do like the color of the packaging. That is gorgeous. Love the purple. So it looks like this, which ironically looks almost identical to a lip gloss I had in 8th grade in like 1998. It wasn't a good color on me then. I don't think it would be a good color on me now, so I think I will probably stick to using it on like the lids or something. I'll figure it out. Because it looks too dark to be like a highlighter. It wouldn't be a blush being shimmery like that. So I think it would have to be a lid gloss, but I don't know. I don't like lid glosses because they're sticky. So I don't know. I can't freaking win. But anyway. Next. From Wander Beauty, and this is the most expensive piece in this box. This is $42. It is the Sweet Escape palette. Sweet as in hotel suite. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. So, let's see. We've got... Oh, okay, those are actually real pretty. I'll show you the colors first and then I'll read you the names. Yeah, those are gorgeous. I'm loving all the purples. I'm loving all the shimmers. Very, very pretty. I love the piece of foil that goes over that. Oh, not foil, but you know what I mean. The colors are First Class, Vacation Mode, On Holiday, In the Clouds, Day Trip, Window Seat, Sweet Dreams, Carry On, Frequent Flyer, and Out of Office. Those are pretty. not gonna stress losing that little film thing since honestly it hit the floor. I'm not gonna put it on something that's gonna go on my eyes. I'll pick it up after. So we have that. From Farah, we have the 18-hour liquid eyeliner in black velvet. So it's just gonna be black. This is 20 bucks. And it says a matte black, highly pigmented liquid liner that will blow you away with 18-hour wear. This liquid eyeliner has an easy-to-use felt tip to create a perfect cat eye. Stays on until you take it off. Easily removes with an oil-based eye makeup remover, vegan, cruelty-free, long-wearing, and waterproof. Sounds good to me. We don't need to open. It's just black, so anyway. And then from Persona, we have the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm in the color Manifest. So a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. Okay, let's see it. So plain. Like a white label packaging or a white label brand? What's going on here? Whoa, that... okay. This is not this! But alright, go off. Like, that is not even close to the same color, but alright. See, this is why you can never trust the little swatch on the sticker or on the box, because they very rarely actually line up with reality of what they actually look like. So, anyway, that was the January base box for Boxycharm. So anyway, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.